So guys, I did a thing. I'm not gonna show you out of that because my parts are atrocious. I had to fix them, but I did a thing and I filmed it. So tutorial coming soon. I'm here with my hair freshly washed. I comb and part my hair in half. Alright, so for our products today, we are winging it because and now we're gonna put in some products, okay? We're gonna put in some products. I don't even have all my supplies with me. A lot because I have a lot of hair. We are also going to add, also have our castor oil. Good amount because girl, praying hands emoji. So you can see right now, like my curls are starting to pop a little bit, because they've been in hiding. So this is good. Okay, so we have our first part. Now we are going to take that part and we're going to put it in two. Okay, exhibit. And then we're going to braid. So as we are braiding, we want to braid, but we're also going to keep a section of hair out. So we're going to pull out some curly pieces as we're braiding. Pull out some curly pieces. Alright, so this is our first braid. We put some gel on the end and then we just twist it like that until our curls come back. Then with our curly piece, we're going to take curling custard.
I would like to get to know if you could be what kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
So we're making progress, so that's good.
I wanna be down. No matter the time of day or night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
one side complete. I am
Realest ching inna the Louis V best. Girl want with me squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze like me rocking a sleeve.